What's going on, guys? So after the recent iOS updates, something happened, and the app browser was actually removed totally from Trustwallet for iOS users. Okay, so which means if you are using an iOS device right now, you won't be able to use the app browser directly, or even the browser directly from your Trustwallet application. So in this video, what I'm going to show you guys is how you can actually make use of an alternative, right? Not really an alternative, still your Trust Wallet, but I'll be showing you how you can actually purchase coins using your normal exchange like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, etc. So the very first thing to do is let me just confirm and show you guys what I'm talking about. So as you can see over here, let me log into my Trust Wallet. Okay, so as you can see over here, I don't have the browser section over here again. I only have wallet, decks, and settings. I don't have the browser section. So this is what you need to do. First thing, you need to make sure that you are logged into your Trust Wallet application. Then let's say, for example, you want to purchase a coin, let's say via PancakeSwap. Okay, so what you need to do is to come over to the PancakeSwap exchange URL. So for PancakeSwap, it is exchange.pancakeswap. Yeah, this URL over here. Don't worry, I'll drop a link for you in the comments so you can go ahead and check it out. So once you've clicked the link and go ahead to the official PancakeSwap exchange page, so what you now need to do is to click connect over here. So as you can see over here, this is just like the normal regular PancakeSwap page you'd see on Trust Wallet. Okay, so just click on connect over here. Once you click connect, as you can see over here, we have a list of options. Just make sure you choose wallet connect. Okay, choose wallet connect. Then you can see over here we have trust. So just click on trust, and as you can see, you'll be directed back to your Trust Wallet application to connect PancakeSwap to your Trust Wallet. Just click on connect. So now go back to your browser, and as you can see, you can now purchase your coin just like you are using PancakeSwap on the app browser. Okay, so what you now need to do is just go ahead and purchase the coin just like before. So that's how to use PancakeSwap. So let me just show you guys some other examples, because this is the same way you'll be using for other exchange platforms like Uniswap and others. Okay, so you will be able to use it directly from the app browser. So what you need to do is to just be visiting the URL. So let's say, for example, you want to use Uniswap. So let's go to the Uniswap official website and follow the procedures. So just go to the official website of the exchanger you want to use. In this case, Uniswap. So just click on use Uniswap over here, right? So then you can see this option to connect the wallet. Just click on connect wallet, right? Click on wallet connect just like before. Okay, I don't know why that's not popping up, so just try again. Okay, so now click on trust, right? As you can see again, you can just click on connect. So go back to your browser. Again, that's from the network. Don't know what's wrong with the network. Okay, as you can see, that's connected. Okay, so it's because we actually clicked that twice. That's why it's actually delayed a little bit. So now, as you can see over here, we have you can now go ahead and purchase the coin just like before. Okay, we have the Uniswap page, but just ensure you check the URL, because in this kind of situation, people can want to take advantage of that. So you may receive some kind of spam emails. So just take notes, okay, and be safe. Okay, so I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any question, drop them in the comments. I'll be willing to respond as soon as possible. Thank you.